Grids. Guides and the grids help you position images or elements precisely. Guides appear as non-printing lines that float over the image. You can move and remove guides. You can also lock them so that you don't move them by accident. The grid is the perfect alignment tool for graphic design and UI design in general, and is very easy to use. By combining the use of the grids and the snap feature, users can perfectly align objects along the grid lines and subdivisions. Let's open up the document you would like to work with or create a new document, and enable the grid by checking View, Extras, and then checking View, Show, and Grid. You should now see a grid laid over your canvas. And a quick note is that the grid lines are not actually a part of your image. They are more or less just reference lines. But perhaps you need to adjust the grid to better suit your working conditions. It's very easy to set up grid lines to distance themselves in inches, pixels, as well as other standard measurement units. To adjust the grid preferences, go to Edit, Preferences, Guides, Grid, and Slices. From there, you can adjust the grid color, style, distance between grid line, and the number of subdivisions between the grid lines. Let's change the color of the grid to this blue cyan color. Snap to grid. Snapping is a useful feature in Photoshop that allows users to align layers, shapes, text, etc. perfectly with other objects, guides, or in our case, the grid. To enable Snap to Grid, first enable Snap by checking View and Snap, and then make sure Snap to Grid is checked by going to View, Snap to, and Grid. You should now be able to easily align the different layers with the grid precisely.